Okay, we're gonna go. Wow, my face is so red. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, don't. We're gonna go to a beach. Ranshima. Oh, it's a swimming area. Not now. We're gonna go to Ranshima. We're gonna catch a bus. Maybe this is it. So you can see snow on the beach. That's the goal. Hopefully it works. It's snowing a lot, so it should be good. This is where we are. Beach weather, anyone? Because we're going to the beach. Oh jeez. Really, oh my thing is stuck. We couldn't really get to the beach like we thought. So now we're just out here. My face is very red. We're just out here in like a freaking snowstorm neighborhood. Not sure what we're doing. This is deep. Do you feel like you're reed timber? I can't even see. snow. There's not a whole lot of shrines out here, but it has a lot of the red torii gates. So yeah, it should be really pretty. It's snowing out. Beautiful. Oh! Just fell. Oh, that's deep. Oh my goodness. It's too early in the day for this. Oh yeah, that's crusty stuff. Oh, so soft. Oh, what the? I knew you were gonna do that. Wow. Look at that. That's all stairs. Whole thing. But they just opened this part. They were wondering why this is closed, but it's pretty clear now why this is closed. I can't even, you like lose the whole atmosphere.
For something. Yeah, get up in there. Like you're trying to like film a nature documentary. Have good aim for that. Wow, double enough. Good job. That's so cool. Wow, look at the waves crash. Devin, look at these waves crashing right here. Do that and spend 40 minutes out here. at those losers over there. Who takes photos in that parking lot? Oh wait, that was us. Scanning now. Best of the best. Hokkaido milk cream. I've been waiting for this. Hopefully it tastes not just like random ice cream. Hokkaido's famous for ice cream. Milk cream.
Hope the flag got right in your face.
That is the cutest thing I have ever seen. Do they have sea otters here? Just chilling at the bus stop. Detail in these two. And Dr. Yellow, Shinkansen. Husband. He looked funny. He was like. They actually exist in Japan. White peppermint. Wow. I can't believe peppermint exists. I can't believe peppermint exists. My life. Third. And look at my steamed bun. How cute. Wagyu.